Okay, here we go, guys. We found the fuel pump failure on most Dodges that you want to run. Do you see that? There's that blue wire, orange stripe or red stripe that feeds the fuel pump circuit. You can see they all rub along. It's on the front mount, right past the junction block. You can't actually get this out. It's touching the body, rubs through on the body right there, and you're only getting some voltage, then it dies. What? There it is. I'm not sure how we're gonna fix this exactly, but there it is. Okay, there you go. I got her pulled out a little bit. Looks like it's the only broken wire in the loom. I had a look at the rest real quick there. They all look good except for this one. This is the fuel pump feed circuit. You can see it's open. I think it's a huge problem. A lot of guys are having a tough time finding this one. But yeah, most guys are just running new wire. I wanted to actually see where the problem was on this one, so I found it using my multimeter, going down the circuit looking for an ohms change through the wire. And there it is. Here we go, testing up the circuit. So we're gonna toggle the ECM on, relay power on. Got my test light grounded. We got power fixed. From a no start to a start. Towed in, here it goes. There's the 12 volt problem right there.